Ever wondered if it's really possible to fill your wallet without emptying your pockets first? Today, we're diving into a world where your creativity and hustle are your biggest assets. From uncovering the secrets of self-publishing to transforming your social media game into a goldmine, we're exploring 7 mind-blowing ways to make money with absolutely no initial investment. Stick around to uncover these hidden gems that could change the way you think about earning forever. Number 1. Start a blog or niche website. Starting a niche website or blog can be a fantastic way to make money without initial capital. For instance, imagine you're passionate about food trucks. You could create a website similar to foodtrucker.com. Launched in 2012, this site became an authoritative source for food truck owners and aspirants. How did they monetize it? Through selling ebooks like How to Start a Food Truck, The Definitive Guide, and The Food Truck Growth Kit. This approach harnesses your expertise and passion, requiring minimal investment while offering substantial potential revenue through digital products. Additionally, such websites attract a high number of visitors monthly with minimal reliance on ads. When you set up your website, focus on providing valuable content that resonates with your target audience. This creates a loyal community. Over time, as your traffic grows, so does your potential for earning. You can diversify your revenue streams from selling digital products to affiliate marketing and sponsored posts. Remember, consistency and providing value are key. Another example is SecurityGuardTrainingHQ.com. Established in 2010, this niche site carved out its place by focusing on security guard training across different states. The founder's strategy was to gather specific state-wise training requirements, making it a one-stop resource for aspiring security guards. They generated income through Google AdSense, amassing over $100,000 over time. This shows that with the right niche and dedication, even websites with straightforward monetization strategies like ads can be highly profitable. Number 2. Podcasting and related ventures. Starting a podcast can be another excellent avenue. Consider the podcasting guide on smartpassiveincome.com. This extensive guide not only helps beginners start their podcasting journey, but also creates multiple revenue streams for the website. These include affiliate marketing, building an email list for promoting courses, and even selling proprietary software like the Smart Podcast Player. The investment here is primarily your time and knowledge, with financial requirements being relatively low, mainly for hosting and some basic equipment. But podcasting isn't just about the content you create. Developing related products can also be a lucrative approach. Take the Smart Podcast Player, for instance. Developed in 2014, this software addresses specific needs of podcasters and has become a steady source of passive income, despite challenges such as development hurdles and the need for ongoing support. This demonstrates the potential of creating tools that cater to the needs of a specific community. Additionally, podcast advertising is a viable income stream. By incorporating sponsored segments in your podcasts, you can earn revenue. This varies based on your podcast's reach and audience engagement. It's a win-win. You provide valuable content to your listeners while also monetizing your efforts. Number 3. Affiliate marketing through demonstrations. Creating tutorial videos for products or software and earning through affiliate marketing is a clever and engaging way to generate income. For instance, you could create a demonstration video for a tool like ConvertKit, an email service provider. By providing genuine, helpful content, you guide potential customers through the product's features and benefits. When viewers purchase the product through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The key here is to choose products that you genuinely believe in and are relevant to your audience. This not only helps in building trust with your audience, but also increases the likelihood of conversions. Your videos should be clear, informative, and engaging, making complex information easily understandable. In this digital age, affiliate marketing offers vast opportunities. Whether it's software, physical products, or online courses, there's a wide array of products you can promote. This method requires minimal investment, but can yield significant returns, especially if you have a substantial online presence or are skilled in creating compelling content. Number 4. Self-publishing books. Writing and self-publishing books is a fantastic way to turn your knowledge or storytelling skills into income. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can publish your work with no upfront costs. Your books can be in various forms: ebooks, paperback, or audiobooks. For example, consider books like Let Go and Will It Fly. These books were self-published and are available in multiple formats, making them accessible to a wide range of readers. When you write a book, you're not just earning from sales, you're also establishing yourself as an authority in your chosen field, which can open up additional opportunities. The process involves writing your book, formatting it for different platforms, and creating an engaging cover. Marketing is key here. You need to actively promote your book through social media, email lists, and other channels. Remember, the more eyes on your book, the higher the potential for sales. Engaging with your readers, getting reviews, and leveraging platforms like Amazon's algorithms can significantly boost your visibility. Expanding beyond just book sales, you could also create companion resources like workbooks or online courses based on your book's content. This not only adds another revenue stream, but also enhances the value you offer to your readers. Number 5. Offering online courses or workshops. Creating and selling online courses or workshops is another excellent way to monetize your skills and knowledge. In today's digital era, people are constantly seeking to learn new skills or deepen their existing ones. You can create courses on anything you're knowledgeable about, from cooking to coding. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare make it easy to host and sell your courses. The beauty of this approach lies in its scalability. You create the course once, but you can sell it to an unlimited number of students. Over time, with the right marketing and quality content, this can become a significant source of passive income. Engagement and value are crucial. Ensure your course is well-structured, engaging, and provides practical value. Use multimedia, like videos and interactive quizzes, to enhance the learning experience. Also, actively engaging with your students through Q&A sessions or feedback can greatly increase the value of your course and lead to better reviews and more sales. Number 6. Flipping products online. Flipping products online is a practical way to make money without a hefty initial investment. It involves buying products at a low price and selling them at a higher price. You can start with items you already own but no longer need. Websites like eBay, Amazon, or even local platforms like Craigslist are great places to start. The key here is to understand the market value of different items and spot good deals. It requires some research and a keen eye for opportunities. You might start with smaller items and gradually move to bigger, more profitable ones as you gain experience. Product photography and description play a significant role in this. Good quality photos and detailed, honest descriptions can significantly increase your chances of making a sale. Customer service, including fast shipping and responsive communication, also helps in building a good reputation, leading to more sales over time. Number 7. Leveraging social media. Utilizing social media platforms can be a powerful way to earn money without any investment. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok offer immense opportunities. You can start a channel or an account based on your interests or skills, whether it's cooking, travel, technology, or fashion. The initial focus should be on building a solid follower base by consistently posting engaging and valuable content. As your audience grows, monetization options become available, like sponsored posts, brand deals, and ad revenue. Engagement is key in the social media world. Interact with your audience, understand their interests, and tailor your content accordingly. Authenticity goes a long way in building trust and a loyal following. Remember, the more engaged and larger your audience, the more attractive you are to brands and advertisers. And that's a wrap. Armed with these 7 ingenious methods, you're now set to turn your dreams into dollars. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing hacks. Here's to making your financial goals a reality, starting now.